Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best foldable mobility scooter is probably one of the most innovative mobility solutions available today. These scooters are designed for convenience and portability, allowing users to easily transport them in cars, on public transport, or store them in compact spaces. They provide a practical and efficient way for individuals with mobility challenges to maintain their independence and enjoy a more active lifestyle, offering a blend of functionality and ease of use. Number 5. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter, electric wheelchair. This Vive mobility scooter is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It can safely support up to 265 pounds. The tires are durable and safe, ensuring a smooth ride. The scooter features a wide, padded seat and backrest for comfort. The seat swivels for easy access, and the armrests adjust and flip up. You can customize it to fit your needs. This scooter disassembles into 4 pieces for easy portability. The folding tiller and removable seat make it convenient to transport. The heaviest piece weighs only 29 pounds. The control panel is easy to use and located on the tiller console. It allows you to set the speed, change direction, and turn on the headlight. It also has a battery life indicator. The Vive mobility scooter is the result of extensive research and design. The team is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service. It comes with a 5-year guarantee. What we like. This scooter offers a comfortable, padded seat and adjustable armrests, ensuring a pleasant ride. It also disassembles quickly into 4 pieces, making it easy to transport in most vehicles. With its intuitive control panel, controlling the speed and direction is a breeze. If you are looking for a mobility scooter that prioritizes ease of use and transport, this is a great choice. What people say. The color is vibrant, we got the blue, it's compact yet powerful to go uphill and up our incline driveway. Easy to assemble, disassemble and transport. Gets around great on any surface and turns very well. Number 4. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter, compact and heavy duty. This Vive mobility scooter is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It can safely support up to 265 pounds, and the tires are built for durability and safety. The scooter features a wide, padded seat and backrest for comfort. The seat swivels for easy access, and the armrests adjust and flip up for convenience. The Vive scooter disassembles into 4 pieces for easy portability. The heaviest piece weighs only 29 pounds, making it easy to fit in most vehicles. The control panel allows you to adjust the speed, change directions, and turn on the headlight. It also includes a battery life indicator for easy monitoring. Vive is a trusted brand focused on safety and comfort. The scooter comes with a 5-year guarantee, ensuring you have the best possible experience. Shop Vive and purchase with confidence. What we like. This scooter offers a comfortable, padded seat and adjustable armrests, ensuring a pleasant ride. It also disassembles quickly into 4 pieces, making it easy to transport in most vehicles. With its intuitive control panel, controlling the speed and direction is a breeze. If you are looking for a mobility scooter that prioritizes ease of use and transport, this is a great choice. What people say. The color is vibrant, we got the blue, it's compact yet powerful to go uphill and up our incline driveway. Easy to assemble, disassemble and transport. Gets around great on any surface and turns very well. Number 3. SuperHandy Passport Plus Mobility Scooter. This scooter now offers a top speed of 4.6 miles per hour and a range of up to 5.5 miles on a single charge. It provides more power and distance to keep you moving confidently. Featuring adjustable handlebars and an upgraded seat with armrests, this scooter is designed for maximum rider comfort and control. The seat height can be adjusted to suit your needs. With larger 8-inch solid wheels and a 3.3-inch ground clearance, it handles a variety of terrains with ease. This provides a smoother and more stable ride, both indoors and outdoors. Built with a sturdy high-grade aluminum frame, this scooter supports up to 330 pounds, offering increased capacity and durability. It also has anti-tipping wheels and dual-drum brakes for your safety. Despite the enhancements, it remains portable, folding down for easy transport. The frame weighs 32 pounds, with detachable components for effortless handling. The Passport Plus comes ready to go with two 48V Li-ion batteries and a quick 1.5-hour charger included. You can start your journey right out of the box. What we like. The Passport Plus boasts enhanced performance with a higher top speed and extended range, perfect for longer outings. It also features adjustable handlebars and an upgraded seat for maximum comfort. Its compact design makes it easy to transport and store. If you like to travel and need a reliable scooter, this is the one for you. What people say. This scooter is light enough to carry into a car if and when I decide to use it outside. Plus, it folds up which make it more compact. The seat and the steering wheel pole are also removable. This is a huge benefit. The very comfortable cushion seat is adjustable for the height. Plus, it has armrests that move up and down. I can rest my arms on them when I am using the scooter, and when I am getting out of the chair, I can bend them back to rest next to the back of the backrest. This is another huge benefit. The steering bar has adjustable heights and is adjustable to angle inward towards the body. Because of this, I can sit comfortably in my chair and rest my back on the backrest every time while I am using my scooter. I don't have to reach to touch and use the handlebars of the scooter. Talk about comfortable. This is simply wonderful. Number 2. ZiiLIF or 3B Lightweight Folding Mobility Scooter. This scooter weighs only 37.5 pounds without the battery, making it easy to transport and store. Its compact, foldable design is perfect for travel, fitting easily into the trunk of a car. You can take it anywhere without any hassle. The ZiiLIF scooter has a detachable lithium-ion battery that meets airline regulations. This allows you to bring it on flights and cruises, making travel much easier. The battery is lightweight and can be detached by hand. The high-capacity battery provides up to 10 miles of range on a single charge. It also has a USB port for your mobile devices. It offers a smooth ride with an adjustable top speed of 4 miles per hour. It comes with a wide, comfortable seat for adults and seniors. It also includes a headlight for safety and a cup holder for convenience. Charging ports are available on both the scooter and the battery. This scooter can handle slopes up to 8 degrees. It features 4 sturdy wheels with solid tires and an electromagnetic braking system. This provides a stable and smooth ride on various surfaces. The scooter is designed for simple operation with an intuitive control panel. You can easily move forward and backward. The handlebar and armrests are adjustable for different users. The ZiiLIF scooter comes fully assembled and ready to use. It has a tight turning radius, making it easy to navigate in tight spaces. You can start your journey right away. What we like. This scooter is ultra-lightweight and folds compactly, making it ideal for travel. It's also airline and cruise approved, so you can take it with you on your adventures. With its powerful battery, it offers a long range, allowing you to explore further. If you are looking for a travel-friendly scooter, this is a great option. What people say. The scooter is compact, powerful, comfortable, easy to operate. This scooter is very light. With one button release, the scooter folds down. Then the tiller folds on top of it. That's it. Lifting it into the car trunk is easy. This is a nice little scooter, folds down nicely to put in the back of our SUVs. My husband is able to lift it easily. I can get it in my vehicle with some maneuvering due to only having the use of one hand. With that being said, I can set up the scooter and fold it back down easily with the one hand. Number 1. G-Mobility 3-Wheel Folding Scooter. Introducing the G-Mobility Scooter, designed for ultimate portability. This lightweight scooter folds easily and can be quickly disassembled into 5 pieces, perfect for travel. Featuring a 48V brushless motor, this scooter offers a range of up to 6.5 miles on a single charge. It supports up to 275 pounds, making it suitable for various users. The scooter comes with a 48V Li-ion battery, providing ample power for your journeys. You can easily swap the battery for extended use, ensuring you're always ready to go. Enjoy a comfortable ride with the padded faux leather seat and backrest. The scooter also features a variable speed thumb drive accelerator for easy control and a fast-acting drum brake system. Before purchasing, please note the scooter supports up to 275 pounds, and you should be able to lift at least 35 pounds. It does not have armrests, and it's always a good idea to consult your physician. What we like. This scooter has a portable design that can be quickly disassembled into lightweight pieces. It comes with a swap-and-go battery, providing over 6 miles of range per charge. It also offers comfort and style with a padded seat and adjustable height settings. If you have limited storage space and need a scooter that's easy to manage, consider this one. What people say. The extra battery it comes with is always available, and attached, so I never run out of power. The speed is completely adjustable and it is lightweight so it's easy to transport in the back of my small SUV. Hubby is 265 pounds and this scooter had no problem hauling him. Like the 2-battery option, used one all day zipping around resort turn swap out next morning. It was great at airport, keep batteries with you in carry-on, ride right up to plane and gate check, take battery off. The seat comes off and we took strap to keep it shut closed up, both parts went at gate check. The other part folds up, see pic, so quite compact. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.